Welcome to Cert-Exams.com. In this video, we review Cert-Ex Lab Simulator for Network Plus certification. The Cert-Exams.com Network Plus Lab Simulator is a feature-rich product that includes several tools and lab exercises to help you practice networking configurations and troubleshooting. The software is ideal for candidates preparing for CompTIA Network Plus exams and for learning networking techniques. Key features available with the Cert-Exams.com Network Plus Lab Simulator. Virtual Lab Environment. The Lab Simulator provides a virtual lab environment that allows you to practice network configurations and troubleshooting scenarios on virtual machines. Dozens of labs. The Lab Simulator includes over 50 labs covering various networking scenarios, such as configuring switches, routers, and firewalls, as well as network security and troubleshooting. Simulated Command Prompt. The Lab Simulator includes a simulated command prompt that allows you to practice command line interface (CL) configurations and troubleshooting. Interactive Network Diagrams. The Lab Simulator includes interactive network diagrams that allow you to visualize network topologies and practice configuring and troubleshooting various networking components. Schools and Training Institutes. Particularly suitable for schools and training institutes that impart training classes without having to actually reconfiguring PCs or networks. Several labs have been provided for thorough hands-on prep. Few sample labs given below for reference. Networking tools. Identify the features of various troubleshooting tools, OTDR, cable tester, etc. IP addressing. This lab covers the basics of IP addressing, including subnetting and IP address classes. DHCP and DNS. These labs cover the configuration and troubleshooting of DHCP AMD DNS servers and clients. Routing and switching. This lab covers the basics of routing, including static routing and dynamic routing protocols. Wireless LAN. This lab focuses on the configuration and troubleshooting of wireless LANs, including access points and wireless clients. Network Security. This lab covers the basics of network security, including firewalls, access control lists, ACLs, and virtual private networks, VPNs. Network Troubleshooting. This lab provides hands-on experience with network troubleshooting, including packet capture and analysis, ping, and traceroute. You may view available labs by going to the website Cert-Exams.com. Overall, the Cert-Exams.com Network Plus Lab Simulator provides a comprehensive set of labs and a safe, simulated environment to practice hands-on software and networking configurations, helping you build the skills and confidence you need to pass the CompTIA Network Plus certification exam. The Lab Sim is also a good tool for general learning purpose by students and professionals desirous of starting a career in computer networking. Download a free trial version of the Lab Sim by visiting the website Cert-Exams.com. Disclaimer: please note that the Lab Sim software is for learning purposes only and not recommended to be used in actual environment. Cert-Exams.com is not associated with CompTIA organization or any other entity. Please read our full disclaimer at Cert-Exams.com. Thank you. Please visit Cert-Exams.com for more information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates.